Hi, it's Steffi from Steffi's Beads and Baubles, and I wanted to show you this quick tutorial on how to make these adorable little earrings. I was at, I think it was an estate sale a year ago, and bought a pair that were broken. The beads were all broken up, and I thought, oh, those would be so fun. And my intent was to do this video last year, and anybody that's watched me for a while knows that last year just kind of fell apart. I never got it done. So I thought I'd get it out tonight and do this video for you and schedule it in for the 2 weeks that I'll be off when my husband's having his surgery and recovering. So they're very easy and really inexpensive. I can't tell you what I paid because I seriously bought these beads a year ago. Now, I can't tell you that BJ's Craft Supplies is the best place, but that's where I bought these. And I usually price check, so at least at that point in time, this must have been a good deal. 125 of these 12 millimeter. Now you can find them anywhere. 12 millimeter, they're called Starflake or Snowflake, and they look like this. Okay, and then you need the 6 millimeter faceted spacer beads. And you can use other beads too, like if you have a small round red bead that's 6 millimeter, that would probably even work better. But this is what the earrings had, so, and I didn't have anything, so this is what I bought a year ago. Like I said, I'm not affiliated. BJ's Crafts do not know who I am. I ordered this a year ago. But you can check there, but check everywhere, because these type of craft supplies are routinely pretty cheap. I don't know if they have these at Hobby Lobby or Michael's, but they might. It's worth checking out. But anyway, you're going to string onto your chenille strip, which I used a silver, not chenille, tinsel. I keep wanting to call these chenille. This is a silver tinsel strip. I've tried gold, I've tried red, I've tried green, but since I'm using a silver ear wire, the silver seems to work the best. And you're basically going to count out, you know, what I do is I always count out ahead of time. So you'd count out 14 of the green beads and 8 of the red beads, and then just start putting them on. And I'll be honest, it's a little challenging because even though the tinsel is small, it you know, sometimes it's hard to get that through there. So you're going to put 1 red and then 2 green like this, okay, and then 1 red and 2 green. And you're going to keep doing that until you have 8 red, and I forgot to put the last red on here, 8 red and 14 green. Oh, I just threw that one. Did you see that? Probably heard it ping, hit the glass jars. Okay, so you're going to have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. And you can get at least 2 per, you can get a pair of earrings out of 1 tinsel stem. And the reason I want to use silver is for this reason. I found, I'm going to pull this down just a little bit, that for me, I wanted to use the silver ear wires. And the only reason I use silver for the most part, well, there's 2 reasons. One, my ears aren't really sensitive, but they are a little sensitive. And I have a harder time with brass, which I absolutely love, or gold ear wires. They irritate my ears. So I have to use silver. And it's easily obtainable, and they're pretty cheap. And the other reason why I like the silver is it doesn't corrode or turn a bad color very easily. You have to really wear them before they look bad. So after I get them strung, I string on the ear wire. See how I did that? Then I'm going to take this and I'm going to cross them, pull it tight and cross them, making sure that ear wire is well in there. And I'm going to cross it like that and cross it. And then I'm going to take my wire cutters and cut off the excess wire. And that leaves a little bit of silver at the top, but it kind of blends in to the ear wire. Now, when you get really proficient at it, you can get it to where it hardly shows. But the other thing you can do is get your wire tool or your wire working tools or your beading tools in there, and kind of bend it down a little bit too, and kind of get that, see, so now you don't really see it, see, and you just kind of puff them out, make them nice and round. Now I don't put any kind of ribbon on here for a couple reasons. One, I don't like how fabric tangles in your hair, and it can rip off if you're, you know, wearing them a lot, or it gets dirty from handling it. But you could tie a bow on here. You could glue a bow on here. Absolutely. I don't choose to do it. But anyway, this is the pair of earrings. They're very cute, very easy, and you can't go wrong with those. And they'd make a great gift, a great stocking stuffer. If you're Secret Santa at work, these, for a woman, these are great. Just a fun little gift. And if you buy a bag of the beads, you can make these as gifts for people. And you might even have these craft supplies. A lot of people do. But that's how to make these cute little wreath earrings. And I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, I hope you'll give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, I hope you'll subscribe to my channel. And I will be back very soon. Thank you so much. Bye.